Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix your Roblox if it's not opening on Microsoft Store. Alright, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now first fix here, go ahead and go to the bottom right of your screen, right click on date and time, click on adjust date and time. Wait for it to load, and once it loads, make sure that set time zone automatically is enabled, okay? Or if you don't want your location permission to be enabled, well, just make sure that you select the correct time zone, also the region right here. Click on region and select the correct region. Okay, I gotta go back and here make sure that set time automatically is enabled as well. I just gotta click on sync now, wait for the process to finish. Once that's done, close this one. Go head over to MS Store or Microsoft Store and launch Roblox from here. Check if it helps. Okay, if that still will work, go ahead and go to your start menu, right click on it and click on installed apps. Now just find Roblox player. So click on three dots. Now if you have installed it on Microsoft Store, you can go ahead and click on modify. Okay, click on modify, and the next page you'll be able to see these options. So first click on terminate, then after that click on repair, and then after that click on reset. Okay, and then once that's done, go ahead and restart your computer and check if it helps. If that still will work, well, go ahead and uninstall it from Microsoft Store. Okay, right click, installed apps, find Roblox, click on it, or click on three dots, hit on uninstall. And then once done, go ahead and open up your favorite browser. Okay, we're going to download it from the Roblox website itself. So just go ahead over to roblox.com, log in with your account, and just go ahead and play any game. Okay, now when you go ahead and click on play right here, it will automatically scan your computer if it got a Roblox or Roblox player. So it will ask you to download the Roblox player, follow simple prompts, and once done, you should be good to go. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.